Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this key. This key with a fob belongs to a Nissan Micra 2012 I'm just gonna show you how you can access the battery on the remote, so you can change it if you need to change it. This particular one has been a little bit weak lately, so whenever I press the open or close, sometimes I have to press it a few times until it opens, so that usually is a problem with the battery. So I don't actually have the battery right now, but I can actually make the video today. So I'm just gonna show you how you can access it, remove the battery, and then you can install your new battery. So you're gonna need a very small Phillips screwdriver, and when I say small, it's almost the size of the key. So there is a Phillips screw just there, which I'm going to remove. Take that out, and then you can remove the key, and with a flathead screwdriver, maybe a slightly bigger one than this, there's a little opening here on the side where you can actually open this key. To access the battery. So just remember how the battery comes out, but in any case, on this side, if you look closely, there is a plus sign just there. So okay, so now we can remove the battery from here. And this battery here is a CR1616. It's quite small and skinny. So CR1616, if you can see that, I'm not sure. This is a Panasonic one, but yes, so I need to get one. Now, funny enough, actually, these batteries are CR1616, but I just noticed that it's written in here CR1620. If you look on your case, on the case, you might actually see CR1620. So that would be the correct battery. Maybe that's why my remote is a little bit funny. It sometimes it works okay, sometimes it doesn't. So anyway, there's also a plus in there. It says plus side. So the plus side on the battery is usually it's always this side, and there is a plus there. So you want that plus side to go in there. Then you get the other part of the fob, and just close that again. Get your key back in there, and then get your screw. And that's it. Job done. So this should work straight away. There's no programming or reprogramming or anything like that. So a fairly simple one. So anyway, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up if you like the video, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.